Hello everybody, today we've got a Wilco cylinder. I bought these off eBay a few weeks ago and I got it picked a few days ago and last night, so hopefully let's try it on camera. Here's the key pin. I suspect these have serrated key pins because when I had an older model, someone sent me an older Wilco a bit ago, and when I got it, it had serrated key pins. So yeah, that lock really worked on light tension, no problem on light tension, but this one I have to put quite a bit of tension on before it even goes in a fault set. With light tension you can't even bind a pin. And once it's in a fault set, it goes into it. Once you get it in a really deep fault set, it's not that difficult after then. It's just playing with one pin. Got a little bit of turn on the core. Got a little bit of pin 2 there. These German locks are very nice. Yes, I've got that really deep fault set. Hopefully now, I didn't expect it to get it this quick, but hopefully now it should be one pin. Hopefully, I've got to turn it a bit towards me. So let's just go over, check if everything's... If I lose this, that's it. I've got to be very careful here. See what I mean? My pick's slipping. Got it, guys. I got this Wilco open. That was a bit of a battle for me, but I'm very happy I got this lock pick because I do really suspect it has got serrated key pins. I don't know, but 1 second, I'll show you guys. Hopefully, let's see if it... I don't know, but if you can see that. No, you can't see it on this one, but properly. But I'm definitely, the way it played out, it looks like it's got serrated key pins. Guys, if you get a chance, you want to get one of these locks. They do give you a bit of a fight, and they're quite nice locks. I mean, just look at the key they do and the bidding on it. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I've been trying to get this GG picked, but it's really fucking with me. It's not... I've had it open a few times, but then every day I've been sat down with it for 20 minutes and I'm getting nothing. So what I decided to do, guys, was progressively I snapped. I had another GG. Just look at the keyway, guys. Look at that. I've progressively pinned one half of this, and so far I'm on the 3rd pin. I'm getting somewhere, and hopefully I should, you know, get it picked. But these are very difficult locks. If anyone can give me any tips on these GGs, it'd be most welcome. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and